We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 40-gallon propane water heater. One of the things that we had to do is we got up, we were getting ready. The last thing that we were actually doing was putting the vent in, and went to tie into the existing dual wall B vent up there, and someone had crushed it. Instead of getting it, this, you can see, pipe's supposed to go in. Same thing up there, it's supposed to go in, and they had crushed it, so we couldn't get a new pipe in there, so we had to take it all back out. So we gave it a brand new piece of pipe. You can see the dual wall B vent up there sticking through the ceiling bucket. That's new. And then we stuck it to the roof and got you some roof tape that's sealant. It's like a siliconized tape, and wrapped it, put the storm collar on, and put the storm cap on, and then of course painted it. It's galvanized, it'll last in the rain, but we paint it kind of to match the rest of the stuff there. Anyway, so brand new vent through the roof, then of course single wall vent down to a couple adjustable 90s, and then we did give you 2 valves, hot and cold. It's not required on the hot side, but the whole house was down, and so we wanted to get the water turned back on right away without worrying about water backfeeding through the hot side. So we just put 2 valves on, shut them off, and turn the water on so they can continue using the toilets and the sinks. Falcon stainless steel connectors down to the tank, brass extensions there, gives it a little bit of better seating than just the nipples coming through the tank. And then of course relief valve comes with it, temperature and pressure safety valve. Something happens, that'll pop off and drain. This is a full 3/4 inch line, Falcon stainless steel, and you can see that's why we leave the tag on it. And then over to copper with just a couple adapters, and down here, and then of course the drains out down there on the exterior wall right there. Upper third adjustable strap, lower third adjustable strap, brand new gas valve. It's got the dirt leg there, or the drip leg, whatever, in case there's debris in your propane. But that was already installed. We just gave you a new valve and a new connector with controller. Right now what you've got is temperature set to hot. You can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So hot is approximately 120 degrees. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. B140 recommended by CDC, but you run the risk of scalding infants in a second, adults, or teenagers, adults, probably 3 to 5 seconds, or elderly, obviously 1 second. Thin skin is what's happening, in that with the hotter water. So we leave it at 120. 120 is fine for everything. If you feel like you need to turn it up, do so, and just be cautious. Be aware of this right here about the scalding risk. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.